Ever wondered how apps like Instagram or Spotify actually start out? It's easy to look at these polished, world-famous apps and think they were always this complex, but the truth is, every big app you know began with a simple idea and a few lines of code. Even the most popular platforms started as basic projects, often built by just one or two people experimenting at home or in a dorm room. Spoiler alert, before they became household names, they all began as super simple web apps. The first versions were often just a single page with a few features, but they laid the foundation for everything that came after. So let's break it down. Here's how you can build your very first web application, step by step. Don't worry if you've never coded before. This is all about learning by doing, and you'll be surprised how quickly you can make something real. First, what is a web app? Think of it as a website that does more than just show info. It lets you interact, like logging in, posting pics, or even chatting with friends. Unlike a regular website, a web app responds to your actions, making it feel alive and dynamic. To build one, you just need three things: HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. These are the building blocks of the web. Don't worry, you don't need to be a coding wizard or have years of experience. With just a little curiosity and patience, you can get started today. Step 1. Open your favorite code editor. Yes, even Notepad works. And create an HTML file. This is the skeleton of your app, the basic structure that holds everything together. Add a header that says, "Hello world." This simple phrase is a tradition for beginners, marking the start of your coding journey. Save the file as index.html and open it in your browser to see your first web page come to life. Step 2. Let's give it some style. Add a CSS file to make those boring words pop, maybe neon green, or try a bold font, a fun background, or even some cool borders. CSS is where you get to express your creativity and make your app look unique. Link your CSS file to your HTML and watch your page transform instantly. Step 3, now for the magic, JavaScript. This is what makes your app interactive. Add a button that says, "Click me," and use JavaScript to make it show a cool message when you do. With just a few lines of code, you can make your app respond to clicks, type, or even mouse movements. This is where your web app starts to feel alive, and you can experiment with endless possibilities. Boom! That's the core of every web app ever made. It might seem simple, but these basics are the foundation for everything from social networks to online games. Every new feature you add builds on this core, so mastering these steps is the key to unlocking your creativity. Want to go next level? Try free tools like CodePen or Replit to see your app live instantly. These platforms let you experiment, share your projects, and even collaborate with friends, all in your browser, no downloads needed. You can find tons of inspiration and learn from other creators too. Or challenge yourself by adding a trending AI chatbot. Yep, you can do that too. There are simple APIs and tutorials online that make it easy to add smart features to your app, even if you're just starting out. Imagine building something that can answer questions or hold a conversation. The best part? You don't need a fancy computer, just curiosity and a browser. Whether you're on a basic laptop or even a borrowed computer at the library, you have everything you need to start building. The web is open to everyone, and your only limit is your imagination. So next time you scroll past a viral app, remember, every tech giant started with one file, one idea, and a bit of code. The next big thing could come from your bedroom, your kitchen table, or even your phone. Are you ready to build yours? The journey starts with a single step. That's your crash course. Now go make something awesome. The world is waiting to see what you'll create next.